Oh, it's raining. Was raining and now it's bloody cold. Gotta finish this. What's the best way? I don't know. I don't know. I'll go down here. Not cutting. Might have to get a new blade. It's not even sharp. Yeah, might have to get a new blade. Let's get a new blade. Got a Mitre 10. Okay, just went to Mitre 10. Got a new blade. Let's see how this goes. Oh my god. How do you open these bloody packets? The hell? Oh, I don't know. Oh, scissors. They make things so hard to open. It's ridiculous. Oh, that's a lot sharper. It's shiny. Can't even untangle the bloody thing. Okay. I think that's way too long. Let me see. I asked them. Oh no. Well, it is. It's too long. We'll give it a go. That's where it goes. Okay. Oh, it's tangled again. Alright. Ouch. Yeah, a lot sharper. It's even cutting my hands. Oh my god. Alright. Do this. It's too big. I need a tape measure. I need to measure it. Great. It's too big. Oh well. Take it back. Okay, I just went in myself and picked it, say 35 centimeters. So let's hope that that is right. Hopefully. Now the detangling. Do the detangling, that was easier. Oh, my stomach's growling. Getting used to taking this on and off. Okay. Oh. Just got to undo that bolt because that's right, because I thought it would take it all the way back. I just found out about this today. Didn't even Google it or anything, just had a look. I'm like, oh, what's that do? I'm learning. Okay, now I should be able to get this on. Okay, finally got that on. Okay. Tighten it a little bit more. Well, it looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm not gonna get to do any bloody cutting by the looks of it. More CNC. Gotta give it a test. Okay, let's go. Hopefully it doesn't come off, so let's try this. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Now that's better. Nice blade, sharp, quick. chop down the tree. So now I'm going to clean this all up. And then once I do that, we can start doing this shed. And we're fixing her up so I can put all my items in there and they won't get wet. And I'm going to extend it. So we'll start that next week.